So hello everyone, welcome back to HY Custom. So today we have another one creation. So this first thing I want to tell you about this is the vehicle itself is registered with Hyderabad registration. It's a local registration vehicle and it's readily available for sale. So let me tell you about the main specifications. It has a power steering, power brake, power clutch, and it has a 2500cc Mahindra DI turbo engine with a two-wheel drive gearbox. So and this vehicle includes 4 mini monster tires with 5 alloy wheels. You have a pretty cool, good-looking mustache bumper with 4 LED lights, and you have a 2 high beam lights over here. And then backside you get a LED DRL grille where you have LED headlights with LED indicator and reflectors. So here in this model we have used these indicators which are also LED. We have here indicators which are in chrome nickel, and this will also blink at the night. And after that the bonnet comes with a scoop which mostly comes in Wrangler models. So I will just give you a short look about this engine as well. You can see the work done here. You can see this is the Mahindra DI turbo engine. You get a Yokohama battery which has a 60 months warranty period as well. Power steering, power brake, power clutch, and this is the air filter, and that's a diesel pump. And you can see it's a brand new radiator, and the engine condition itself, you can see how much condition it's in worth. So let me show you its interior as well. So in interior you can see the seats which has 7D stitchings over here on the seat covers. You have a very fancy good looking gear knob here. You have a normal music system player which is complimentary, which we give in each and every vehicle with 2 normal basic speakers. And you can see the steering wheel, how it's cool and good looking design, and you get a rear view mirror over here. And you can see this top is waterproof, so whenever you drive it in rain, the water is not going to fall inside. It's a total waterproof material used in this. I will give you a few details about its backside. So you come down to backside. You have an extra alloy wheel over here which looks a very good look to the vehicle. You have LED tail lights over here, a jerry can, and a door hook and a brake light down there and above here as well. So this is a total detachable soft top. And I want to tell you one thing, you can remove this everything, and nowadays you see that you get a frame only with the glass. So when you remove this frame from here and you take off this top, this becomes a frameless model, so only glass. So you can see the frame, it's a bit different model frame which used to come. We had made it in top and topless both models. The frame comes out from here, and after that you can see only the glass from here. I will just post a sample photo in this video at the last, how it will look without the top. So it's a new thing which we have added in this, and totally this vehicle is for sale. It's a Hyderabad registration vehicle. So whoever is interested in this model, I will tell you its validity is till 2030, and its asking price is around 6 lakhs rupees, which includes everything, registration and transportation, everything is included in this price. So how you like the vehicle, let me know, and if you want us to do some more, we can do anything better, so let us know. Feel free to let us know and comment down. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.